Well, there you have it, folks. Finished product. We got the outline completed with the black. We've got all the masking tape taken off. And so, yeah, this project is done. Went back, touched up a few little spots here and there, with the orange and such and some of the black. But from what I can tell, yeah, this project is done. What we used was, I see some 3/4 inch masking tape. It's the blue kind. Buy it at pretty much Lowe's, Home Depot, something like that. And then just some interior oil-based enamel paint. Colors were black, white, and island orange, as if you go to Lowe's and get their brand. Just look for island orange. So yeah, this was done. Next project is going to be on facing wall over here, and it's going to be a couple of flame hearts with my name and my wife's name on there. So once we get ready to start that, I'll show you the progress, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks.